Learning is entering a new era of engagement.
VEDX was born out of change. Traditional methods were becoming outdated and creating disengaged learners.
When education stops transforming, learners suffer and their future fades.
We felt that we had to intervene to help advance immersive learning and spark a revival of curiosity. We took the leap. We formed VEDX. This was our opportunity to make a difference, to bring creators together with educators across the entire world and create new worlds of learning.
This was a company built for educators to inspire learners. There was nothing that was going to stand in our way.
VEDX will forever be woven into the history of the revolution ahead.
At the forefront of this immersive revolution, VEDX will remain steadfast in our mission to be system integrators, to work with the best immersive companies in the world.
We want to integrate new worlds of exploration into education that re-engages learners and to train educators on how to use this new technology across all devices and curriculum.
Join us. Be a VEDX. Change the world of education for our future.